Hi and welcome to this course. In this course, you will learn to build your own Android game and publish it online. You will start by importing 3D car model and adding zigzag movement to the car. Then, you will create randomly generating infinite levels. Next, you will juice up your game by adding some UI elements, particle effects, and cool game music. Finally, you will learn to implement video ads and publish your game online. So if you always wanted to create your own Android game, this is your chance. Enroll now and start building your Android game today. Hello and welcome to this course. My name is Raja and I'm gonna be your instructor in this course. So with that being said, let's get started and take a look at what you're gonna be learning in this course. So as you can see here, we have the curriculum of this course. So we're gonna create a 3D zigzag racing game in this course. So this is the first section, and in this section we're gonna be first taking a look at the game that you're gonna create. Then we're gonna set up the basic game environment and create the basic game and add the car model, create the platforms and all these things. Then we're gonna create the basic gameplay. This is the section where we actually start by writing our very first code in C# and then do some more cool things. And this is the one where we actually generate the level and make the game playable for a long time. We're gonna automatically generate platforms and automatically generate many more things. That's gonna be very, very exciting. And in this section, we're gonna add the scoring system. Also, we're gonna create the UI, which will make our game look really cool. And then we're gonna add some audio and music so that our game plays music when we are in the menu mode. Also, when we start the game, another different music plays. Then we're gonna add some special effects to make the game look really cool. Like we're gonna add some particle effects which will be played when you collect the pickups. And also we will automatically change the background color, which will make the game look really, really exciting. Finally, you're gonna learn how to publish your game. You're gonna also learn how to publish your game online using this WebGL build. Also, you're gonna learn how to publish your game on Android platforms. And I'm gonna also show you 5 different places where you can publish your game for absolutely free. Then we're gonna learn how to implement video ads in your game and monetize your games to start earning money from your games. So this is this section that is really, really exciting. I'm going to show you how to implement the interstitial video ads. Also, I'm going to show you how to create rewarded ads for your game. So this is how the whole game will be built. And here I have another additional section. If you are completely new to coding and C#, then I have a complete section dedicated where you can learn about C# scripting for Unity from absolute basics. So if you're new to coding and if you want to learn, you can go ahead and check it out. And if you already have some idea, then you don't need to bother. You can simply start on the first section and start building the game. So with that being said, let me tell you a little bit about myself so that we can know about each other. My name is Raja and I'm founder of Charger Games, and I have been teaching game development and making videos for about last 5-6 years. As you can see, some of my videos are 6 years old. And I have also created some of the most popular videos on these topics. As you can see, this Android game video has 1 million views. This one has 600k views. And this one is currently the most popular. This one is 350k views. So these are some of my most popular videos. Also, I have been creating video courses here. And I have a lot of bestsellers. This one is bestseller. This one was bestseller for 4 long years. This one was another bestseller. This one. So here I have some of the courses and you can go ahead and check it out. So I like to build courses where I actually teach by building a lot of projects. So most of my courses are project-based courses where you learn by building real stuff. So that was a little introduction about me. I love to learn and teach. So I want to know about you as well. So go ahead and write about you. What is your name? Where are you from? And what do you want to learn and build after finishing this course? You can post your intro in the Q&A section of this course or on the Discord server. So thank you so much for checking out. I hope you're really excited to start learning and building this game with me. So let's go ahead and enroll now, and I'm going to see you inside and let's get started.